Hey Facebook, hey YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. This is Jason with Classic Touch Floor Care. Just showing you downstairs here, today's project. This is a hardwood floor cleaning. And this is basically an engineered hardwood floor, newer style, so it doesn't have a shine on it. It's more of a matte finish. Beautiful hardwood floors, engineered, which basically means that they're layers. In fact, let me show you. I got a sample piece right here. So if you look at the side, engineered hardwood is layers of hardwood laid together, kind of like a plywood, but with a veneer on the top that is factory coated. So it's a very good coating on the top. But what you've got to be very, very careful with a floor like this is when you're trying to do a deep cleaning, is that you do not get water in between these grooves here. You've got to be very careful that you use very light amount of water if you're going to be deep cleaning them. And so that's why I use my Karcher floor scrubber right here, as you can see. Now this area is already done, and I just finished this just a couple minutes ago, and you can see it's pretty much dry and clean. It looks fantastic. And so I'm not putting down much water at all. In fact, very, very little, and it's being vacuumed up and scrubbed immediately, which is why you've got to do it this way so that you do not ruin these beautiful engineered hardwood floors. So if you have engineered hardwood floors and you need to get them cleaned, a good deep clean, then give me a call. I'll be happy to help you out and show you what we can do. First was a vacuum. We vacuumed them very thoroughly, got all the dust up that was loose, any loose debris, and now we're scrubbing them right here with the floor scrubber. And we're putting a little bit of, this is the solution called Squeaky Clean. It's a fast drying, fast dissolving, neutral floor cleaner that does awesome with hardwood floors. And so that's what we're doing today. I'll show you a little bit of the process here so you can see the machine in action. So stay tuned, and then I'll show you the finished product.